Okay, so something tricky about this one is reading it correct. What is the percent yield of oxygen gas at 54 liters is produced from the decomposition of 500 grams of chlorate? So what makes it tricky is it tells you your product first and your reactant second, where all the other problems has been reversed. And where if that doesn't make sense to you, let's just break it down. So what this has told us is that when we do the lab, this is how many liters we end up with, 54. Okay, so this isn't my given in this problem. That's probably the hardest thing about these is this is not my given. This is saying, hey, this is what we produced at the very end. This is what we actually got. All right, so this is what we're looking for. This is where I'm going to be ending. And then this is saying this is when we use 500 grams of potassium chlorate. This is potassium chlorate. Remember, this is potassium chloride. This is chlorate. You don't have to have that memorized. Potassium chlorate. We actually got this, but the math we need to do is the following. We need to figure out what we should have gotten if we did the lab absolutely perfectly, which almost never happens. So anyway, let's get going. 500 grams of KClO3 and put it over 1. I always cringe a little bit because I've been doing this enough now. Because when I see grams, that means I gotta do even more math. But no problem. So I am starting, let's see, it's starting me with mass, and it wants me to end in liters. So I'm going to go from here to here to here. So I have to do 1 math problem, 2 math problems, 3 pieces of setup. All right, on the bottom, tells me exactly what to write. Put 1 mole of KClO3 over, remember the box, whenever there's a question mark, that means we're looking for it, grams KClO3. I gotta do work for this one. K, I got 1 of them. Cl, I got 1 of them. Oxygen, I got 3 of them. Times oxygen, I just have memorized 16. I don't have chlorine memorized. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take a guess 32. That could be all. Go ahead. P periodic table. Did I say I thought it was? Nah, I said 32. That's way off. 35.45. So then 35.45. So it's gonna equal. That one yet. Let's figure out what potassium is. Potassium. 39 point, I'm going to round that to 1. 39.1. 39.1. Oh, and I totally just put that in the wrong place, so don't follow me step by step. Don't do that. That goes here. 39.1. Alright, now I have to do a little bit of math. What is 16 times 3? 48. Maybe I will do it in my head, but I'm not risking anything for such a long problem. 48 plus 39. Now I gotta add all 3 of these things together. 9.1. And all this is going to give me is that number that I put in the bottom, 39.1 plus 35.45 plus 48 equals 122.55. And now I know what to put in here. 122.55. Sweet. So checked off this step. Now I'm here. So I'm in moles. Double check, make sure that it looks good. Let's cancel. Yep, I'm in moles. So it's telling me here to put the mole of the thing I'm looking for. Mole, the thing I'm looking for is O2. Theoretical O2, right? We already know the actual. The theoretical O2. And the moles are the things I started with. KClO3. Get these numbers from my balance equation. In front of O2, I see F3. In front of KLO3, I see A2. Great. sure you're here. You should be in moles or your new thing. That means moles is my old thing. Cancel, and I'm in moles my new thing. Sweet. One more step. I like when it's for liters because it tells you exactly what to do. It says we're 22.4 liters of your new thing over 1 mole of your new thing. You just cancel out. Great. Now I'm here. Now I gotta do some math. Let's get this top part first. What we got? We got 500. 500 times 1 times 3 times 22.4, 33,600. Okay, now the bottom I'm going to get 122.55 times 2. Back there. 122.55. Bottom number is going to be 245.1. 245.1. Alright, so 33,600 divided by 245.1. Divided by 245.1. If I didn't make a mistake, I should, if everything went perfectly in my lab, I should have 137 point, I'm going to round that to 1, and I'll do 0.09. 137.09. 1.09, what's in my final unit? Liters of O2. Liters O2. So here, this is my theoretical yield. This is what I should have gotten if I did everything perfectly. I only got 54 in actuality, but this is what I should have gotten if I did everything perfectly. So that's going to be my answer when it says, oh, and then to finish this problem off, I have to do my actual 54 over my theoretical 137 times 100. Because I didn't read the problem clearly. I said, what is the percent yield? That's all at once. That's all I'm going to give them. So, let's see what I got my calculator. 54 divided by 137.09 equals that number times 100. So I only got 39.39% of what could be expected. I'll put 2 boxes around this because this is the final answer I got. Now, if I made a mistake in any one of these, or if you did, you'll get a different number. But setting up the process here, I believe I did it correctly as long as I've got all my units. Then I'm good to go.